Hello friends, today I want to unbox and give you a review of the Lapcare D-Lite mini USB keyboard that I have purchased. After watching this video, you can able to decide whether you have to purchase this kind of mini keyboard or not. So let me first unbox it. Something like this kind of packaging I received from the Amazon. Let me cut the packet from the corner so the whole box inside this remain intact. Here is the actual box. Let us see what details they have mentioned within the box. This is a D-Lite Plus multimedia mini keyboard and the company name is Lapcare. Move on to the back side of the box. Some technical information about the keyboard is written on the side of the box. Shortcut keys mentioned which you can use with the function key combination. Now open the actual box so I can show you the actual keyboard I received. Even I am opening the box first time, so it is a surprise for me too what I will get. Oh my god, it is amazing compared to my thinking. Let me show you the keyboard properly. It is a good quality plastic material, not a metal surface. This kind of information card received, but I don't think this will become useful for any purpose. Key pressing experience is good and I am really satisfied with my decision. The cable length is enough as per our requirements. There is no backlight support exist within the keyboard. It's just a normal keyboard. As with the Apple Magic Keyboard, all the necessary shortcut keys exist. Those you can use with the function key. Basically, I have Apple's iMac computer from a long time, so its mini Magic Keyboard stopped working, so I decided to purchase a new one. But all options those exist within the market are too expensive. But luckily I found this mini keyboard. First I thought this was a cheap keyboard, but later on decided to just give it a try, and I liked this because it is in white color. And do you believe I purchased this for just rupees 300? Yes, it is in rupees 300. So I definitely recommend this mini keyboard even after 3 months of usage. Just one problem you will face. There is a great number of chances that you may receive a defective product, because I have read many complaints in the review, but I remain lucky in this case. Thank you for watching this video and do like, subscribe to the channel if you like to watch different game videos and product review related videos. Bye.